Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Equilibrium. Today we're gonna do a 5 minutes yoga flow to reconnect with your body, with your mind and with your inner strength when you're out of time. So let's start. Sit down on your heels. Take a deep breath in, raise your arms to the sky. Exhale, we slowly come to child's pose. Inhale, come to upward facing dog. Look up and exhale, slowly come to downward facing dog. On your next inhale, let's come to plank position, vertebra by vertebra, and exhale back to downward facing dog. So wave-like motion. When you inhale, you come to plank position and exhale downward facing dog. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, raise your left leg up. Exhale, step forward with your feet. Inhale, raise your body up to warrior one, Virabhadrasana A. Exhale, come to warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale. Extend side angle, hand to the floor, right arm closer to your ear. Inhale, extend your left leg and start to come up to reverse triangle. Inhale, exhale, come back to warrior one. Exhale, hands to the floor. Step forward or lift your leg up, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now raise your right leg up. Exhale, step forward, Virabhadrasana 1, warrior 1. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, reverse warrior. And exhale, extend side angle. Now your left arm is closer to your ear. Inhale, extend your right leg, come up to reverse triangle on the other side. Come back to warrior one, inhale. Exhale, hands to the floor. Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Take a second to prepare. Inhale. On your exhale, jump forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, stand forward bend, Uttanasana. Inhale, come to chair, Utkatasana. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, step back, plank and Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. And exhale, slowly, child's pose. Relax your body, take a deep breath in. Slowly come up and let's finish class raising our arms to the sky and bring your hands to our third eye and to your heart to thank yourself. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.